Hey guys, this is Homefully here, and we just found some more things. I'm just gonna record this because, just to show you. I mean, this is weird. Our luck is really rolling. I just finished recording survival Saturday. Let's see how much we get. We got, that is a lot, because I already had 14, let's see, it was like 7 diamonds we got. Oh, my luck doesn't end there. No way does that. I swear you will only find one. Come on. Guys, show you that I found some coal and stuff in the